Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 vs Audi Q5 crash test full comparison. Focus on occupant protection, structural performance, and restraint effectiveness. I'll walk you through the main crash scenarios, explain how ratings translate to real-world safety, and point out where each SUV shines or needs improvement. Expect clear comparisons of deformation patterns, dummy injury scores, and safety feature behavior. Let's dig into the test results and translate numbers into practical meaning for drivers. I'll describe how each vehicle performed in frontal, side, and rollover evaluations, and what the measured injury values suggest about real-world risk. You'll hear about crumple behavior, intrusion levels, and restraint timing, all explained in plain language, so you can understand which SUV offers better protection for different crash types without needing prior technical knowledge. Now I'll interpret the findings and give practical takeaways for shoppers and owners. I discuss how structural differences affect repair costs, occupant safety, and long-term durability, and I'll point out which safety features matter most when choosing between these SUVs. You'll get a balanced view of strengths and trade-offs, plus simple suggestions for safer driving and optional equipment that can meaningfully reduce crash risk in daily use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.